Hello and welcome to this video on the mystery of antimatter. Let's start by understanding what is antimatter. Antimatter is a type of matter that is made up of antiparticles, which are particles that have the opposite charge of normal particles. Normal matter is made up of particles such as protons and neutrons, which have a positive charge, and electrons, which have a negative charge. Antiparticles have the opposite charge of these normal particles. When an antiparticle comes into contact with a normal particle, they can annihilate each other, releasing a burst of energy. Antimatter is incredibly rare in the universe and is difficult to produce and store, which makes it one of the most expensive substances in the world. Scientists are interested in studying antimatter because it could potentially be used as a source of energy or to study the fundamental nature of the universe. However, much about antimatter remains a mystery, and scientists are still working to understand its properties and potential uses. Why is antimatter so expensive? It is difficult to give an exact cost for antimatter, as it is an extremely rare and difficult substance to produce and store. However, it has been estimated that the current cost of producing 1 gram of antimatter is around $100 trillion. This makes antimatter one of the most expensive substances in the world. There are a few reasons why antimatter is so expensive. One reason is that it is incredibly rare in the universe. Antimatter is thought to be produced in small amounts during certain types of high-energy events, such as the collision of cosmic rays. Another reason that antimatter is so expensive is that it is difficult to produce and store. Antiparticles are highly unstable and tend to annihilate when they come into contact with normal matter, releasing a burst of energy. This means that antimatter has to be produced and stored in special conditions, using expensive equipment and facilities. Given the current cost and technical challenges of producing and storing antimatter, it is unlikely that it will be widely available or used in the near future. However, as our technology and understanding of antimatter improves, it is possible that the cost of producing and storing it may decrease over time. So does antimatter actually exist? The answer is yes. Antimatter has been observed and studied by scientists for decades, and there is ample evidence to suggest that it is a real, physical substance. However, much about antimatter remains a mystery, and scientists are still working to understand its properties and potential uses. In conclusion, antimatter is an incredibly rare and expensive substance that has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. While we have made significant strides in understanding antimatter, there is still much that we don't know. But as our knowledge and technology continue to advance, it is likely that we will learn more about this mysterious substance and its potential role in the universe. Thanks for watching.